Hello everyone, in this video I'll be talking about what are the laws of reflection of light. As we have learnt in the previous lecture that light after hitting the surface will be reflected. But important question is that what will be the angle of reflected ray? Just suppose that this is angle of incidence and this is 30 degree. So, according to first law, it says the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Just suppose this angle is 30 degree. So, the direction of reflected ray will be this, and the angle which is formed by reflected ray also will be the 30 degree. Let's prove it with some experimental pictures. Look at this picture over here. In this first picture, normal is running at 90 degree at the surface of the mirror. And the normal is very important line. We measure the angles from this imaginary line. So this is the line in which we are going to measure our angles from. At this point, our ray of incidence is coming along the normal and hitting the surface of the plane mirror and being reflected back along with the normal. So, in this case, the angle of eye is actually 0 degree. And therefore, angle of reflection is also 0 degree as well. Look at the second picture. What happens if this ray of incidence is moved at 70 degree? Look at the third picture. In this picture, the ray of incidence is moved at 140 degree from the normal. Now, just count the angles from both sides. You will get equal angles from both sides. So, it is proved that angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of R.